Welcome to Evergreen Leadership Academy, where we do things differently. I've been in the field of education for 25 years and launched Evergreen in 2018 with the goal of providing children with an educational experience they can really connect with. And here's the reality. We all feel it. The world's changing at a faster pace than ever before, and school systems are just not able to adapt to prepare our children for their future.
I think what parents love about our school is that their kids aren't just learning for the sake of learning. Our programs are designed for each unique individual, and they nurture their creativity, their spirit, and their confidence. Because when they fall in love with learning, it results in exceptional academic scores, interpersonal skills, and just exceptional human beings that are well-balanced and ready to take on whatever the future holds.
When you come in here, you immediately feel the welcoming and creative atmosphere that has made so many families fall in love with this place. Don't just take my word for it. Book a tour, come by, meet our staff, tell us about the goals you have for your child, and see how we can help.